Do you want to make over $10,000 with your affiliate offer? Then watch this video. Welcome back to the Entrepreneur Shack. My name is Amanda, and if you're new here, hit subscribe and the bell icon for more great videos. You're probably here right now because you're looking for the best landing pages for affiliate marketing. Am I right? Well, in this video, I'll be showing you some of the best traffic sources for affiliate marketing and what goes into making the best landing pages for affiliate marketing. If you stay until the very end of this video, I'm going to tell you how to get a free template to my top converting landing page. So first, let's talk about traffic sources. One of my absolute favorite traffic sources is solo ads. Solo ads, in a nutshell, are email adverts that are sent out to a massive email list. I use Udimi for my solo ads. I'll drop a link down below if you want to check it out. But the reason why I like to use solo ads is because I can find people who have a big targeted email list and send my message or offer to those people who I know are already interested in that type of thing. So for example, if you want to sell a health supplement, you can search for someone who has a massive health-related email list. This way you're spending towards your direct market. And if you love solo ads, drop a hashtag solo in the comments below. My other favorite traffic source has got to be Facebook ads that connect to a messenger bot. Just like solo ads, Facebook ads can be highly targeted. It's a little bit more complicated in my opinion, but the best feature I love about Facebook ads is the ability to connect directly with leads via Facebook Messenger. This allows you to immediately start the customer journey with an automated bot or process. If you want to know more about messenger bot marketing, I have an entire video playlist on them, which I will link to right above. And I'm always adding more videos to this list as I get more feedback from people. Give this video a thumbs up if you will try one of these traffic sources, or a thumbs down if you won't. Next, I'm going to show you what you need to make the best landing pages for affiliate marketing and how to build one in just a few minutes.
So here we are inside my Builderall platform, and I've just gone under Builders, drag and drop, and I'm going to go under New Site, and I'm just going to choose a template that's pre-built. You can start with a blank page, but in my opinion, it's much faster and easier to just go and grab this one. Or internet marketing, I'm going to go for opt-in. And I'm just going to pick something really simple, something like this. Because what you want to do is you want to be able to grab the person's email, right? So actually, let's grab this guy right here. Edit. So as you can see, Builderall has a ton of different templates that you can work off of, and you can adjust them to your liking and to your message. But basically the best affiliate landing page is one that matches your advertisement. So the reason why I went through solo ads and Facebook Messenger advertising in the first place is because I want you to be able to have targeted traffic that when they get here, they expect whatever you're trying to sell to them. So, for example, let's say you were doing something with a business opportunity. So get my sweet biz op below, and then just enter your email to get started. So now all you have to do is, I don't even need a logo really. I can just delete that. But I just need their email, right? So I will configure this. What I want is I want to attach this to my mailing software. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually just going to delete that really quick, and I'm going to add in an opt-in, not a contact form. So I'm just going to add in a really simple opt-in. And I'm going to configure that, right click, configure, and I'm going to choose the built-in mailing boss. Because in Builderall, they give you an email autoresponder. So you can build emailed lists, you get unlimited email subscribers, and then you can simply just connect whatever landing page to whatever email list you have. So let's just pick this one, for example. So there you go. Enter your email, get instant access, and now once they submit that, I will go to my next page, which is whatever my offer is. So rather than sending them directly to JVZoo or ClickBank offer, for example, you want to capture their email first and then send them to that offer. Because otherwise, you're losing a massive opportunity to follow up with them. And from there, you would go and you would enter your email sequence. So send them, up to 8 or 10 emails over the next few days and send them back to the offer. So you're advertising to people who are interested in the offer, capture their email address, and then send them to the actual offer. If they don't convert, you have their email, so now you can follow up with them and keep sending them back to the offer until they buy. It's really just that simple.
So I'll leave a link to a free trial of Builderall in the description below. This is an affiliate link, so thank you for using it. But also keep in mind that Builderall also has an app inside called Script Generator, which helps you with all your sales copy. And lastly, as promised, I've created a completely free template for you to use, copy, or download. The link is in the description below. Connect with my group of online entrepreneurs to network and learn more about digital marketing techniques by clicking on the Facebook group link in the description. And now that you know what makes the best landing pages for affiliate marketing, make sure you share this video with someone who needs to know this too. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and I put out new videos every single week, so don't forget to hit the big red subscribe button. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next video.